Hey, I'm Zed Martinez, and this is for a piece I'm working on called Aglets and the Smell of Earth After Rain. Now, there's a lot of confusion people are going to have that this, being a painting and looking like a painting, is the piece I'm working on. That's not the case. The photograph of this is actually the piece, and to make sure there's absolutely no confusion about that, we're going to destroy this now so that no one can pretend that this was actually the piece and the photograph is just a photograph. Got it?
I thought you said that.
No.
That is a monster cricket.
Nails.
We're going to do a small amount of construction before the destruction.
This one is new to the neighborhood.
It's like, I don't know if I want.
We have a problem. What's the problem? It ain't going to be... It don't need to be square. No, we can make that happen. That's fine. That's good. All right, we can make that happen. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Door on door. You should just throw it in your house and paint it.
And then some old woman is going to be so sad.
It's a Tim Burton doorway.
Literally die.
It's going to do it. It's going to do it.
Taking away your old
Here, now it's a Tim Burton doorway.
Okay. Half black, half white.
I'd say we nail the painting to that frame, and then we take care of that.
Sounds good.
Sarah, look at your husband.
Oh, God. Oh, you are... You're
Can I just go to town?
Do you want me to do anything specific?
Make it happen. Come over here, because then you're going to get the better angles, and then you're going to come at it from this side. So you're coming. That painting has to be destroyed. So you're coming at it from this angle. She's recording you from that angle.
Oh, yes, indeed.
And you might want to just make sure you like.
Definably destroyed is what happens to happen.
There's only so wide this is getting too, so.
The neighbors.
Just get some good context, and then make sure to get some good close-ups of those ugly sticks hitting the.
I'm gonna take her in circles.
Definably destroyed.
Okay.
Alright, are we good?
Yeah, there you have it.
Oh, God.
Put it back up! It's not done!
I think that just bent all the nails.
That's not definably destroyed. Do it again.
I only have two more.
Yeah, you just lost every nail.
You've got nails in the yard now.
Okay. I think the easel is not quite sturdy.
No.
You need a sturdier...
Okay, alright.
that... Oh, God.
The ugly stick is breaking.
Yeah.
Hit it some more! Put it through it!
I'll let someone else go to town. There you go. This is just reinforcing crazy white metal stereo. Like somebody's driving by like...
White people crazy.
That guy wouldn't accept a rock. Nope, that's fine. Like anything you made.
Alright, who else wants in on this?
Henry encountered that in the hallway a couple times.
Who wants in on this?
They do it like pull it apart. You destroyed later. They're like, oh my God.
Yeah, grab it.
No,
Okay.
Henry can totally have that. And I was like, it might have oil paints in it, so you might not want that on your hallway.
Yeah, you'll want to wash.
not even dry yet.
I'm tired.
Now take that and times it by 1,000, and that's what it would have been like if you had decided to destroy your garage instead of rebuild it. Like a
Firstborn.
The art side has to be up.
You take that to the Harris Just tape it together. Just tape it on the building.
Someone's just gonna
It's
get a
gotta be up.
really bad splinter. Oh, there's a nail stuck in it.
I think that's the one that was hammered into it.
Somebody else get in on that.
I think the nail that I was holding isn't right.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's some proper tools.
All right, who's got the metal?
Yeah. We pay a
Go to town, caller.
Just take it.
You ever seen the movie Gummo?
No, it doesn't go through it. It's like, are you?
Put some more force into it there,
That's kind of
caller.
what it's like.
There you go.
Dad will watch it. You'll be like,
I'm
I
also
feel
told I've
good.
hate cats. I watch them.
Like that sort of thing. It doesn't really tear through it very easily.
Really?
You already don't like cats very much, do you?
I like this stuff.
Well, you just had that one. That
Yeah, I had
was
good
terrible.
cats growing up.
Glad it's different.
They would let me bonk them on the head with a rubber mallet. Ow! Ow! He doesn't know what he's doing. Well, what's funny is those cats like destroy everything else. Like any adult would come over and just claw the hell out.
Yeah.
But
But
as a
you,
kid,
oh man, like he was tearing apart.
I'm doing the nervous heat lab because I'm finding nails in my yard that are like this big.
You want to do it?
All right, give me a nice tight pan of what's left of that.
Go ahead. Go to town.
Tyler, take this thing to it, will you?
I mean,
I think that one's already been through it. See the paint on it?
Really?
You can take the flat part to it. Just
try and make it smaller
Yeah,
pieces.
smash some up there. I want people to be clear that this is not the piece.
I just call it a face full of freaking dirt.
It's a little, yeah, it's a little too much work for the reward, you know?
I know, it's not a pine tree, guys. It's a painting.
No, this is not a painting.
Not if I prune it.
Nor is it a pine tree.
No, that's what it is. Spread the rest of the land. Really? Stuff with the
Cardboard. Durable stuff. There you go. All right.
You want a bag to put that in, Derek?
Yes.
Oh, people have this.
So, the title of the series suggests this is not a painting.